Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn Wattpad to dark mode on laptop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Wattpad's website doesn't currently offer a built-in dark mode for desktop users. However, you can achieve a dark themed reading experience using a browser extension, and the browser extension is Night Eye. So simply search on your search bar Night Eye, and then once it loads, look for this link, simply click on it and then download the extension. Then once downloaded, all you gotta do is install the Night Eye, and then once you install it, click on the Night Eye icon on your browser toolbar and enable it. Then navigate to the Wattpad's page, and then the site should now display in dark mode. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.